I think what sets our firm apart, particularly David, myself, and Brian, is we try to come up with solutions for each client. We don't just take each client as they come in and do the same thing in every case. We're going to really listen to our clients. We're going to see not only legally what can help them, but also what about that person's life separates them, particularly in criminal law. I always want to make sure that the prosecutor knows as much as possible about my client. I want to know about their background. I want to make sure that they understand that this is likely an isolated event in their life. And I want to make sure that the prosecutor looks at that entire person's history and not just what mistake they made that day.
When I came to the States in 1999, came as a student, overstayed my visa, and that created my first problem, right? In the meantime, I was driving without a driver's license.
People make mistakes. People, things happen, circumstances happen, people make choices. Sometimes they're not the best choices, but, to not just condemn everyone for every mistake they've ever made, it presents an opportunity to do justice. I really enjoy doing family law, and coming from a family of divorce, I can put myself in my client's shoes. I can recognize some of the struggles that they have gone through or their children are going through. I can give personal advice or personal perspectives that are real, that I went through it. I understand what it's like to live on the other side of the country from your other parent, and what that means, and that time, and how important that is to be able to see my dad over the summer, or to see my dad over Christmas. That meant something.
In terms of a long-term marriage relationship, and that was, the situation came as a surprise. I was completely caught off guard and in need of assistance on many fronts, not the least of which was the legal assistance. It was challenging, to say the least. I honestly came to the practice on the referral that David and the partnership in general were honorable people, and that they would address my issues in that way. And that was really important and paramount to me.
What sets Buckmaster and Ellzey apart from the other firms? I think first and foremost is we care about our clients. There's that. Also, I know that we have a very tireless work ethic. We work hard, we're thorough. Don't take no for an answer sometimes. You kind of push to get the results. But also, really, we're problem solvers. Everybody's got enough problems in their life. We don't want to be one of them. We want to get creative solutions and help our clients meet their goals.
Driving was a necessity for me to really do my my job, and thanks to Buckmaster and the attorneys, they did an excellent job.
When they say the team becomes your family and fills in, family law is not just a reference to the law that they practice, but it also refers to the way that they treat and support their clients.
Our belief at Buckmaster and Ellzey is you should be represented, whether it's a divorce, a child custody case, a child support case, whether you made a mistake and been arrested and you're facing a prosecution. We want to help you through this extremely difficult time of your life. We're compassionate about helping you through that. We're going to fight for you. We're going to walk you through this process, and we're going to hopefully get you to the other side.